going to show you how to stream your screen to YouTube. So first you will need to head to YouTube and sign into your account, and then make sure you have a channel that is capable of streaming. Now click on the create button and then click on go live, and now you will need to set up your streaming software. So for the streaming software you will need to open up a new tab and search for OBS. Click on download and make sure to download and install the OBS Studio software by clicking on this download installer here, and then you can simply just run the installer. I have it already installed, so I'm going to open it up right here. Now you will need to create a new scene if you don't have one, and then click on add sources, and then basically choose either you want to a display capture to capture the entire screen, or you can basically choose a specific window. So for example, a game capture to capture a specific game, or you can also capture a specific window that is not a game by window capture, and you can as well add a camera if you want to. Now to set up the YouTube streaming, go to File and then go to Settings, and from here go to the Streaming tab and select the drop down here and select YouTube RTMPS, and then click on Connect Account, which basically opens up a YouTube sign-in page, and then from here you should be able to select your YouTube channel that you want to use for streaming. So for example, my main channel here. Click on continue, and then once the authorization is complete you can close this window, and the channel should be linked to your OBS settings. And next you will need to adjust few settings on the output. So from here under streaming, make sure you're using NVIDIA encoder if you have an NVIDIA GPU, otherwise leave it at 264 for the CPU encoder. And for the bitrate, you basically need to set it between 6,000 and 10,000 depending on what quality you want to stream and your internet speed upload. I recommend between 8,000 and 10,000 is decent if you have a good upload speed. And for the audio, you want to select your desktop audio and your microphone device. And for the video, it should match your screen resolution. And then pretty much you can leave everything else the same. Click on apply and OK. And this should open up the YouTube chat automatically. And you can basically close it if you don't want to see it right here. And once you set up your scene for sources such as the screen and the camera and stuff like that, you can also click on video capture device to add a camera, and then just select your camera device and add it, and adjust the size and the place where the camera want to be placed like this on the top right. And once you're done, can simply adjust your audio settings as well here for the mic and the desktop audio. Once you're done, just hit the start streaming button, and that should basically start broadcasting to YouTube, and then you're live. So you can check you're live if you go to your channel and then go to the live section. You should see yourself live and other people can see you as well. That's pretty much it for this video. Subscribe if you found this helpful, and see you in the next one.